Have you ever wondered how long it takes to get a divorce in California? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how long that could take. Hi, I'm Gerald Maggio, Orange County divorce and family law attorney. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process and the time involved to get a divorce in California. It's important to know that divorces aren't done in a day. They aren't done overnight. They can take as little as a few months, they can take as little as 6 months. However, they can take 6 months to a year. I've also had cases that take 2 to 5 years. It all depends on the circumstances of your case. California is one of the most unique states to get a divorce. First of all, it's a no-fault divorce state. You don't have to have a particular reason for getting a divorce. 2, there's a cooling off period in California, which means you can't get divorced for 6 months and a day from the date that the other party is served with the initial divorce paperwork. Also, all assets are divided 50-50 between the parties. That's known as community property. You know, a lot of people get confused about what this cooling off period of 6 months is. It doesn't start when your divorce petition is filed. It starts when the respondent, who is the party that's receiving the initial divorce paperwork, when that person is served with the paperwork. Once the other party, known as the respondent, is served with the initial divorce paperwork, the other party has 30 days in which to file a response in the case. What can take a while for a divorce to get done is what's known as the preliminary declaration of disclosure. That's a requirement for both parties to do a financial disclosure and exchange it with each other. Depending on how motivated both parties are to get the case done, that can take a matter of a month, or it could take months before parties get their financial disclosures done. What can also cause a case to take longer to get done is the discovery process. That is when certain questions are requested from the other party, whether certain documents are requested from the other party, whether subpoenas are issued, and so on, and depositions. These things can take a while to get done. That certainly can affect the length of your divorce case. I've seen that happen where it takes months, sometimes a year, for the full discovery process to get entirely done, so that the other party feels like they've gotten everything they need, and it goes both ways. So that can take a while to get done. Finally, another reason why a case may take longer to get done is because parties can't agree on things like custody, visitation, child support, spousal support, and division of property. Some of those issues might be dealt with on temporary basis and have to go to court on that. Some of them also might have to go to trial. That also takes a while. So if there is a highly contentious case involving these issues, that certainly can make a case easily go over a year in terms of duration. If you've learned anything based on what I've said today, it's that a divorce case can involve a lot of different factors and issues, and certain things can delay and take longer to get your case done. And this is another reason why you need a divorce attorney to help you walk through the process and help get the case done. Otherwise, it can drag on indefinitely. One of the things we do differently here at Maggio Law, Orange County Divorce Attorneys, is that we're honest. We're honest with you about the likely outcome of your case, and also what to expect, and likely what the costs are going to be. Let's be honest, divorce can be expensive, but some attorneys can spend more on cases, litigate, make cases more complicated than they have to be, all for increasing legal fees that you have to pay for. We don't try to do that. We try to be honest with you and try to get your case done. If we can get it done and it's in your best interest, we'd rather have you save legal fees than having to pay an attorney to do that. After over 20 years of practicing law, the best thing I've learned is that the earlier you act, the better outcome you're going to get in your case. Should you find yourself facing divorce or know somebody that is or will be, please feel free to contact our firm for a free consultation, and we'll go through the next steps of what's going to be required in your case. If you like what you see on this video, please click on the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end of this video for other helpful videos. I'm Gerald Maggio, and I'll see you on the next one.